Hi everyone, I want to show you how to make this little cute purse that was made out of a 6x6 piece of paper, designer paper, and basically this was featured as a demonstration at the Customer Appreciation Open House. Basically it is a little tiny purse that's velcroed together, and you can put a little lip balm and give it as a gift to people. So I'm going to show you how to make this. First, you're going to start off with a 6x6 piece of cardstock, designer paper, and you're wanting to score the first line at 2.5 and then at 3.5. Turn it over, going to score it at 1.5 and 4 3/4. Okay, so that's all you're going to have to do. Put that aside. Then you're going to fold and crease all your crease lines really well with the bone folder. There. And just like that. Okay. Starting off with your 2.5 crease line. What you're going to do is you're going to bring this crease line over to this line right here. So by that, you're going to just turn your paper using your index, lining up the fold together. You're going to crease this edge, the inside edge. Here, I'm going to show it to you again. Here is my crease fold from the 2.5. I'm going to line the edge up here, and here's my second fold. With this one, you're gonna again use your finger, left hand, and align the crease to the crease. I'm gonna finish off this side as well. Here you'll have this fold right here. So what you're going to end up doing is you're going to fold these in together, and what you want is add tapes along from the edge to the triangle, the first triangle crease. And take my tape gun, just enough adhesive. And then fold these two sides again. Okay, so you're going to have that look. Okay, so put this aside. Then you're going to cut a 3.5 by 1 inch strip, and you're going to score down the middle at 1/2 inch. You're going to crease this side. And what I have done was I added two sticky strip already on the side. And I'm going to remove the sticky strip. Take your designer paper box and then align the edge to the center, and that's what you're going to have here. So, and then fold that down. Okay, repeat on the other side, which I'm going to do right now. Again, 3.5 by 1 inch and score at 1/2 inch. I'm going to crease that really well. Remove my sticky strips and add it to the other side of my designer paper. Taking the edge, lining it up in the middle, right on center. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is going to show you how to measure. Take your piece of paper, and what you're going to do is measure 1/2 inch all the way around, and this mark a 1/2 inch all the way around, and this will give you a guide to where you're going to piece your handles. Okay, and then I'm going to take this is a 7 inch by 1/2 inch, and I'm going to add tape on one side. Oops. and tape on the other side, just enough to hold it in place until I add the brads. So I'm going to use my marker, align the edge to the flap right here, turn it over. If there's excess tape, just kind of remove it. And then what you're going to do is you want the flap, the handle, just to be like that, okay? Turn it over and then align your 1/2 inch marker to the edge. Do the same thing with the other handle. Add a little bit of tape on each end. Oops. And repeat. The reason why I say to tape first is because what you're going to do is you're going to take your crocodile. I'm using the 1/8 inch hole, and it is set at 5/16 lever. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my crocodile and I'm going to line it right center of the handle. I'm going to punch right through all 4 layers. You can do this with a piercer if you wish, but I find it easier and also straight that when I punch all of them, they're all going to be equal. Turn that around and punch that side and punch this side. When you're doing this, you don't have to worry about the handle moving because the tape is actually secure. Now I've already added, punched out the flowers and added the brads. I'm here using silver brad, and I'm going to push this right through the 2 holes and open up the butterfly. Okay. You'll need 4 of these. You can use any brads if you want, any designer vintage brads, or any, just do whatever you feel you're comfortable with. If you're making a whole bunch of these, then just go ahead with the silver brads because it is a lot cheaper. Now if this is the actual a great way to get rid of all your designer paper, and you'll have a purse just like that. Now to latch it on, what I've done was I've already punched out an oval scallop and an oval shape, and then I've creased it and scored it and folded in half. To apply to the one side, you're going to add tape. You can use sticky tape. Fold this, actually easier to open up the purse. Line it up on dead center between the 2 handles. And what I have also purchased was these little Velcro dots that I got at the dollar store. I'm going to apply there, and they're already got sticky backings. Press this down, and this will align your Velcro. So open it up carefully and just push on it. Close up the Velcro, and there you go. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.